Welcome back to the real crypto space, and today's video is on VVS Finance.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about VVS Finance today. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, and without further ado, let's get started.
So this is actually crypto.com's project. It's on the crypto.org chain, and it's not very known yet. As you can see, it's only $189 million in the market cap as of making this video on the 2nd of December. Um, and basically what it is it's the decentralized version of crypto.com. Basically you have it's kind of like PancakeSwap. So you have all of the features of it, as in the farms and the staking, and it's just decentralized. You can do the swaps, you can buy the coins that are not out there yet, like on Binance, Qcoin, etc. like that. So it's a really good project for that kind of thing. Really minimal fees. But we'll get all into that in a minute. But yeah, so as we can see, the prices are extremely small. As crypto.com has been pumping like crazy recently, as VVS could be next, as it's got a tiny market cap. Not many people know about it yet. As people get to know about it, it will only grow more. Um, but yeah, let's get actually straight into the video. And as you can see, it's not actually been doing much at all. It's just been kind of in an accumulation, if you want to call it that. It's been going up a little bit, especially in the last 7 days. We're doing more. But it's not known much yet at all. It's $189 million market cap. That is literally nothing, especially for what this project does, what it can do, and when it's known, when it will be known about.
As you guys can see on their website, they have got a lot of different cryptocurrencies that you can potentially stake and mine. What you need to do is get into a liquidity pool that you'd like to get into. For example, let's say you've got crypto.com and you got USDC. You can earn, 238%, 0.4, which is amazing. And one thing that you need to consider is you must have the same amount. So if you've got $1,000 in USDC and you've got $1,000 worth of crypto.com, that's the only time where you can actually provide liquidity, because it has to be equal, and then you'll basically be allowed to actually stake and get involved within this cryptocurrency project, and you'll be provided the crypto.com and USDC as a reward, which is definitely something that anyone that wants to get involved in this can earn passive income from.
And one thing to note, the earlier you are in the project, the higher the APR is going to be. So as of making this video, 2nd of December, if you were to get in today, these are the APRs you'd be getting. But let's say at 10x, and it was a $1.1 billion market cap, it would be a considerably less of an APR, but it'd still be very high. It just would not be 200%, 100%. But this would still be in the hundreds of percent, for example. But this definitely would not be.
As you guys can see here, they have got their own auto VVS stake, and you can stake and forget it, which is definitely something that's pretty cool. The APY is 2,317%, and as you guys know, over time that is going to be dropping. The same thing that PancakeSwap did. So one thing that I can consider is, a lot of individuals will be getting involved in this, and a lot of individuals do want to be looking for projects that have got a high stake in APY, and that is the current new trend. A lot of people do want to be making money from these projects and making quick flips, if you want to say it like that. And I don't blame them, because everyone wants to make money, right? So this will kind of help you understand more depth passive income, where you can just stake your cryptocurrencies and you can withdraw money every week or every month or whatever you want to do it. And it's definitely something that a lot of people want to be getting involved in. And by the way, there's a 0.1% unstaking fee if you withdraw it within 72 hours from staking it. If you want to be unstaking within 72 hours, which is something that you guys can do, but preferably it's always best to wait before you want to unstake it. And yeah, this is not financial advice, and that's what I gotta say.
So as you can see here from the analytics of VVS Finance, you can see the liquidity. It's just been increasing. People want those rewards. More people are just gonna keep it in there and hold because of these high rewards. So it's just right now is really a perfect time to be investing in this and to be in these farms, and definitely to be providing liquidity where you'd be able to do this here. Um, it's giving you in depth of what the top pools are. So as you can see here, you can see what the amount that's been in here in the past 24 hours, $13.16 million. And just to think this is only $190 million. And only in the past 7 days, this alone, 90 million, 100 million, 88 million, 78 million, it's well over 190 million anyway. So think about how big this really will. It's going to be an easy 2x at least. You got to think about it that way. Of course, not financial advice, but just by looking at the statistics here of the past 7 days, the past 24 hours, how the market cap is only $191 million. It's quite difficult to comprehend how it's so small. And that's just because it's new. You got to remember it's backed by crypto.com, it's owned by crypto.com, it's created by crypto.com, it's not just backed by them, sorry. It's definitely a good project. You want to be looking into it more. And one more thing, so if you're looking into getting into the farms as you needed to have two of the cryptocurrencies, so for example you needed VVS and USDC, for example, what you do is you put the amount in here, you take about 10% away to pay for the fees which you'd need for the farms, and then here you'd put, for example, USDC, you'd put that here, and then you would press 50%. And do that, but you keep 10% for your fees. But yeah, that's pretty much it with VVS Finance. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really does help us out, and yeah, we'd really appreciate it for the next goal to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.